Hey guys, Loose Nightmares here. I live in Jacksonville, and there's a hurricane going on. Power's flickering on and off. The internet's fucked. So we're about to see what's going on outside. You see that? Holy shit! Oh my god, that's fucking cool and scary at the same fucking time. Holy shit! I might go to bed soon because the internet's not working. I don't think it's gonna work anytime soon. But you know, I was here. Oh Jesus! What the fuck was that in the distance that just blew up? Oh fuck! I think something actually turned off. Fuck it. You know what? I might go. Yeah, this is better. Safer distance. Curious how the backyard's doing. Let me just quickly. That's flickering like a motherfucker over there. Shit. I don't know what the fuck that was. Alright. So I'm gonna lock this real quick. I have a feeling I'm about to bunker the hell down. Internet's almost back up. These doors shut. Oh shit! I stumbled on something. That's better. It's gonna be my bunker room for stuff. You know, it's the best one here. It doesn't have any. I know damn well you guys can't see jack shit, but yeah, it's windy out here. It's not raining, which is surprising. Usually hurricanes storm. Holy shit! Thunder. I'm gonna get that fuck back away. Yeah. So yeah, that's going on. If you live in Jacksonville, Florida right now, that's going on. I don't think we're going to get fully hit by it, but we might get grazed. So if you live in the Jacksonville area, stay safe. All right. I gotta do my outro. Sorry. Stay safe and stay ready. Peace.